Good morning. It's 5:30. It's already super light. The first runner went by at like 5 o'clock on the path. It's time to pack up the tent. Hamburgers for breakfast here at this intersection. It's a beautiful day. Got to make sure to put on plenty of sunblock. It's 8:30. We're heading down the road now towards Charleroi. Find some Wi-Fi so we can do our things. Find some more maps. More sunscreen from the supermarket. And we need water.
Yeah, water.
That one's empty. I don't think that will last us. 21 Ks.
No water taps.
No water yet, and we're riding alongside this quite busy road. I'm not really into this.
We had to get off that motorway. We found this farm road.
There was so much traffic a minute ago, we were really freaking out, but we got up over this wall here and we pulled the bikes over the wall. If you like large industrial cities, you'll love Charleroi. Got something for everyone. Factories, garbage, broken concrete, roadworks. Now we're on Eurovelo 3, so we're heading south. I've never ridden anywhere like this. It's like a steel mill or something. And then there's all this destroyed, like, industrial wasteland. It stinks. It's covered in graffiti. Just seems to stretch on forever. Those barges are full of scrap steel by the looks of it. And over to my left just looks like the Chernobyl exclusion zone. Looks like hell on earth. Far out. Oh, look at all the bits of steel. Oh, we're lucky we don't get a puncture in here. This is oh. it's somehow very calming and picturesque. Mel's given up riding over all that broken steel and crap. My goodness, it's post-apocalyptic. It's absolutely deafening. Holy. Let us out of the city, alright? So this is the beginning of Eurovelo 3. That first little bit past all the steel mill and all that. That's Eurovelo 3. Let's keep going. We were going to stop and explore this abandoned power station. But we have to keep going, as nice as it looks. After 10 kilometers of industrial wasteland, we've reached some nice green space and we're both completely over it. So we're going to take a break, have some water, something sweet to eat and regroup. Holy smokes. Welcome to our wild camping spot for the night. Right next to the river here, just south of Charleroi, and the cycle path is just over here. We're both tired.
Knackered.
Time for a sleep. Finish putting this tent up and might have a nap.
Yeah, sounds good.
Cool. See you in the morning. Good morning from the forest. I had 5 ticks on me last night. This is a little hot spot of animal activity. There was definitely pigs, deer. It's time for us to get going. It's 8:30. I'm hungry. I want to get something to eat. Let's go.
Checking ourselves for ticks again. We've just come out the forest and here's one right here on my sock.
That's the end of him.
We're here. We've just come along the side of the water and we're about to cross to get into that part, and back that way is the little
on the main road.
Yeah, but we don't actually need supplies. We've just had a little change in route plan. We were originally going to go down to Charleroi and check out an abbey and some monk brewed beer. However, we're just getting a bit tired and weary, and we're thinking maybe we should the easiest option would be to follow the Eurovelo, which crosses over here. You can see the green sign, and we've seen heaps of tourists going on that side of the river. And if we do that, we will be in France today. So we're thinking that's a pretty good option.
Welcome to France. Magnifique.